my steamed rice. I'm a cup of rice. Here's my rice. I've drained the water off the rice, and I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of sea salt to the water. I have my pot here, Instant Pot. I have 2 cups of water at the bottom, and I'm gonna add 1 cup of water to inside of this bowl here, and I'm gonna start cooking it for 10 minutes on steam. I added 1 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of salt. So now I'm gonna place it in my Instant Pot. I have an Instant Pot on 10 minutes and it's on steam. The rice is done. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the Instant Pot and show you what it looks like. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Betty's Cooking Channel.